Should you start a YouTube channel in 2020? Going to discuss this and more right now. What's up, everybody? Danamezcua here with Amezcua Multimedia and Marketing. If this is your first time here, my aim is to help you on your education journey. If it is your plan to grow your channel in 2020 and beyond like I'm currently doing, then make sure to subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our latest tips and tricks. I grew up the son of a TV newscaster. As a kid, I heard discussions about TV ratings all the time. I was aware at a very young age about growing a viewer base and how it affected the network, the salaries, the awards, and so on. You see, back then, the metrics they had to measure how big of an audience was watching TV was chaotic by today's standards. But those numbers meant everything to the advertisers. They were paying everybody's salaries. Back then, there wasn't any way to fast forward through commercials or pause live TV. Most TVs didn't even have remotes. You had knobs and dials on the TV that made it difficult to even want to change the channel. So people usually stayed put on the channel they were watching. Because of this, the TV network would tell advertisers how amazing their shows were performing because they honestly believed they had captivated audience with 100% viewers' attention. But what does this have to do with YouTube? Fast forward to today, and you have the internet. For only a few pennies compared to what TV stations used to spend, and still spend, you can literally have your own network. As an example, kids today have Netflix, Hulu, local TV, so many other options at their fingertips, and yet so many people are creating videos specifically for YouTube Kids. They are their own personal Nickelodeons. And the crazy thing is, people of all ages are watching these videos. Don't even pretend like you don't know the Baby Shark song. I'm looking at you, Mom. What this means for you is the sky is the limit. You can create a channel solely as a resume, where you showcase your skill set. You can create a channel that is solely for marketing your business. You can be your own talk show. Why not be a teacher and teach people online? You see, unlike the old days, YouTube knows exactly and even tells you how many people are watching your channel. Just like the old days, you get rewarded with awards and salaries for all the eyeballs that you bring to the table. Sorry, the literal translation of that probably sounds horrible in other languages. So to answer the question, yes, everyone with an idea should have a YouTube channel in 2020. So tip number one, start right now. Don't wait till New Year's Day. Don't delay because of some excuse. You will need to learn a lot along the way, and it starts with starting. Number two, learn the ins and outs of YouTube. There are a lot of buttons, analytics, and even subtitles hidden away in the far reaches of the YouTube studio. The best way to learn it is to get in and start playing around with it all. Number three, what is it that your channel is about? Figure this out early, as it will help guide you with what videos you need to make in the future. Number four, come up with a plan that you will stick to. Every successful business has a business plan. Think of your YouTube channel as a business and come up with a plan. Number five, learn everything you can about the gear you are going to use. Cameras, lights, audio, software, computers, they're all going to play a significant role in your success. Imagine you want to start a mechanic shop but didn't want to learn the difference between a spark plug and a gas cap. You probably won't be in business very long. The point is, no matter what type of channel you're going to be creating, you have now entered the world where you are now a camera operator, video editor, lighting professional, and audio specialist. Speaking of which, audio is going to be one of the most crucial parts to learn. Many people are forgiving of bad lighting, bad compositions, bad editing, but most people will leave your channel immediately if your audio sounds bad. For some reason, humans are hardwired to expect perfection in audio. Number six, create a system so that you can start streamlining your videos. When I worked as a video editor back in the 1990s, I used to make all sorts of infomercials for companies. Some of the clients had multiple videos that needed to be made that were all very similar. So I created a bookend system with these videos, where the components that were present in every video were already available before I even started the next editing project. This saved me a ton of time and made projects move much faster. Number seven, become acquainted with analytics. If you have a website, then you probably already know the power of analytics. It helps you to know what you're doing right and what you are doing wrong. With YouTube, you can learn where people are dropping off in your videos and what is keeping people around longer. These analytics will pay off in a big way in the long run. Lastly, get into branding. You now have a channel that is representing your brand. Make sure you incorporate your colors, your logo, your messaging, your theme into all of your videos, your thumbnails, your channel art, profile pic, and keep it consistent. This becomes handy when you start to wonder what to post on your other social channels like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Keep it all consistent to let your audience find you easily. Well, that's about it for this one. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any questions. Hit me up in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next one.